Yeah, so the vlog starting at the people them airport again. I got Florida, I left from Jamaica. I go link up Trabass. I'm going to pay my sister. I'm going to pick them a visit.
Hey, DJ Blazer! I am modesty! DJ Blazer! Blazer with some bad man forward, a bad man pull up! Bad man forward! Watch out now! Go on with the road! Go on with the road! Go on with the road!
Put this on YouTube so the chat people.
Go on with the road! 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 DJ Blazer!
Don't fuck, I heard that. That'll be the number one.
Alright. Everybody up and walk get out.
Man like Robbie Hood now.
Yeah, everybody walk out. Oh gosh. Ready to start the day. So, they've let me back in the country. Yeah. I check Trabass in a day, I check a couple people well. But Trabass are one of the people that I never link. Florida. Feels like Jamaica. Well, right about now, we just get pick up. Yeah, give thanks. You don't know. And a good vehicle them. Yeah, and them say I must drive if you race all the time there. I wouldn't want police to pull over every minute to ask why they drive good car. I don't know. We got my friend over one part. Janko Sirika, me a come at your job. Me a come help you with the patient there. Anyways, live at DJ Blazer, I link up Trabass in a few. Hold on, come like Trabass a link me son. Hey, I say.
Oh, yeah, Steve.
Portland deal me there, bro. My friend just give me them car. I say, yo, don't rent no car. So I'm going to surprise my little sister. I'm going to look for my niece them and my nephew, you understand? Why not? And then I just go link up with Trabass, the real boss. And we're going to do some vlog series, so stay tuned to that. Yeah. And that Trabass make me start vlog. So you have to pay respect, respect is due. We not fight for who start vlogging because the conversation is very big, but Trabass was the first popular vlogger from Jamaica. We are represent the fluid culture and I do this vlogging thing, so I even get the inspiration from. And I say, since me out in the world, why not share it with people who are interested? Yeah. Hope me not pass me exit, you know. Come in to Florida. Alright, stay tuned. Yo, me say, my father and my sister yard are afraid to go in our yard. Be a big dog. What? Watch that. Could they well trained? Me not go in there. Me not go in there. Me are going there. It's me. It's me. It's me, Michaels. What? You miss me?
Yeah.
Oi. Mama, come here. You may come back. Come here, baby. Everybody, this is my my. Look how she cute. And see me next to baby there. Lika. You can't tell me what to do. I might pick them and come look for. Because go on by your business about vloggy. One mama, give me a kiss. Mwah. Yeah. You miss me? Me miss you too. We are Gary Road, see? That's cute. Yeah, that's cute? Kayla?
Don't record me, please. My toes are out and my hair is
I'm gonna record it.
Stop! Don't put me on the internet.
All she do is craving. See that? Nothing, just food. Food! We're gonna take a that now, we wake up, but people them now give me a chance. Trabass say, "Ma come link me now, so give me a link." Yeah, Yeah. Fast car forward, fast car pull up. Yeah, yeah, we vlogging. People, remember me telling us me and Trabass are going to do a collab vlog. You want to go see him version and my version, but the same version of vlogging. Yeah.
I'm not think I'm that nigga, you see it, representing DJ Blazer. I was there for my vlog,
yeah.
Girl. You remember DJ Blazer, I'm growing here, you know.
All of that too. So much things changed. Yeah.
Sleep.
My nigga.
My job is sleep to sleep, I'm going to work out.
And there's something I want to go and see fast car.
Maybe that.
Oh, snap.
See it, fast car.
Yeah. Pull up.
Yeah.
Pull up.
Yeah. What for call that Blazer? Because I know you're a man with many names. So you think what for call that?
I see you have a name for me already.
No, that's going to change.
Yeah, Phantom a drone, you know.
Yeah, that's going to change.
Phantom a drone.
The brand, yeah.
Yeah, Phantom a drone, but yo.
Wow, don't go ahead.
Okay, alright, yeah. Let me now look, man. Beast mode. Yo. Hey, now sir, this need drone footage. This. Yeah. This need drone footage.
Ross, you know what, Blazer?
I'm a brother-in-law.
I'm my boy. I'm Jamaica, we are forward from.
You see that?
I'm seeing dog and everything. We know him, you know.
Small world. Small world. Yeah, so as I say, people, we are doing some color vlogs. See it there. Nice, my bro. Yeah. Drone footage.
Riding high when I was king. I played at the hard and feeling
Alright, now we're going to enter the beast.
Come plug well. You reach back in our car.
Jesus.
One of the dog them when we know we do dog training. So we just set up with him one vlog where me go put on a dog suit and make dog attack me. You see me? Fit uno. We're gonna do some dog training and dog attack. And thing. Blazer in the building.
Yeah, I'm here. And we here.
Yeah, man, we're going to drive out right now. You know, make Blazer see the rich side of Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, snap.
We're going to Las Olas or probably Fort Lauderdale Beach. We can drive Fort Lauderdale Beach and go to Las Olas. And we're going to get some little footage for Uno. You see me? For Uno, man. Put on your seatbelt, Blazer.
No, John,
the car will stop.
What you mean?
This is going to stop me, I tell you. I saw that they make them now. And it in a sports mode, so if it pick up somebody in I see, they're going to be like, yeah, that pop up so.
Rastafari technology. Hey, you heard that? Hey, you heard that? Monster.
And that me I go call him Monster. Monster. You live closer.
Na patwa.
You're closer to the whole house which for me didn't.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, man.
From 441
right. Cause me have a cousin well live in a year apartment complex. Yeah.
Not where me live now.
Not where. Yeah. Yeah, man. Then that tell me say, yo, Trabass down here, you know. You know, I gotta look people. But here I go on. Sykes them are using the truth. Them want meet you. Yeah. Them are use me. I said, so, you know, go leave Trabass. So, but I saw your thing set, you understand? Yeah. Just a forward for a ding party, you know. And
when?
Ding party in a Saturday in a Jamaica.
Oh, you go Jamaica. Oh,
yeah.
Where you going?
Brother.
Pack out.
The vlog up. So, everybody's supposed to. Yeah, the vlog up. Lit.
I feel like I see everybody a Friday on feet, you know.
Yeah, it's the last year, you know, everybody.
No, the performance is going good.
In the rain, everybody out there in the rain.
You know, I didn't feel good about that, man.
Yeah, in the rain, bro. I tell you. Talking about thing. See, boy shot ya. Try to time, I not even realize it. I hit me a bad. Yeah, I not even remember.
My glasses, more and get.
Yeah, I glasses my like, but I don't know.
Glasses bad.
Glasses them bad.
I get Fiend glasses and Lincoln glasses.
Hey, Crack Creation. You know me if you link the boy Steve, but
I do a vlog with him too, you know.
Why I live too far?
Yeah, that me I tell you. I live far, I know. So we go reach it, probably take me 2 hours.
What?
Yeah man, me they open our bush.
Yo.
I'm a little catty.
Alright. Over here.
No man, me single, me a date. But me have one girl and me a date to live a North Lauderdale, you know.
Okay.
So most of my time I'll be in North Lauderdale.
On a year? Well.
Yo, you make your vlog run pretty long, you know me now, right?
You what go on? You know why me do this though? Because no, you what go on? Me vlog a few things, but this can't catch up because me normally give the people them like a 20-minute vlog per day.
That more.
Or a half an hour because ding vlog are nearly half an hour, you know. Yeah man. Ding vlog are nearly half an hour. So man.
The 30-minute one.
Yeah. Well, you know, me there do 18 minutes, 19 minutes. 12. Yeah, me there do them kind of vlog there because the space did dead feet. Yeah. And 95% I vlog them other phone.
Yeah, that with me, man. I two vlog camera mobile and the man them TV, you know, for when me living. Damn. Like, they not if the GoPro, because the GoPro delivering on different box. Oh. But I think about move to camera phone. But I think about get the A7, but that expensive. That one. Yo, me just like good things, bro. Yeah, me like camera, you know. Yeah, man. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, me just like them good something there, brother. And then the Sony S. Yeah. Something that bad, man. I just we are go up the road. Up the road we are go. See that me not see no more hurricane sky and a hurricane breeze. See moon there. Yo. Outside, and as I said before, Trabass and me do the same vlog, but him do film version. No man, Blazer vlog different now, man. Mine X-rated and raw. Am my own kids friendly? No, you're in raw, but remember mine pan a Trabass that. You have just know you have just know say yo, a Trabass that, yeah man. Alright. When we reach it and do the next shenanigans. I'm a good friend them there about the place and they invite me down to the Airbnb. No man, I'm proud of this. I should have come down in the daytime for video this. No sir. Watch ya. No sir. Good parking space. See Monster park up good there. Yo. No, come on, go in there. No sir. Nice. Hey TK. Watch ya. Nice washing machine. Nah. You can't have this down here so and you will live at Connecticut. People. Jesus Christ, that place is nice and pretty. Wow. Yo. Well, I can't come in there so yet. So like there's so much room. Watch the bathroom. Bring it to the owner and joke the watch it. No, I don't have me asleep. I don't have me I do me internet down here? Yeah. Jesus Christ, I should have tell me. I don't have me I do entertainment club from. Me I go for me car and everything. Good master. Hi. Oh snap, girls are here. One heap of woman there. Look pan them a nice place. How much you rent the Airbnb for? How much? No sir. But bathroom again? Oh, this a woman here have this down in Florida and live at Connecticut.
Airbnb in Connecticut.
So you have the Airbnb in Connecticut? Yo, me like them woman here. Real estate, you don't have to go give me a link. Lend me alone. Yeah, but we're there, me and Trabass. We are circle the place, but I'm proud of my friend. And them something I like to see. Big up my friend them. We do some things and I try to do some things. But you want Trabass right, son? Watch backyard.
How much are you for a night?
No, sir, I live in Miami now. Me live down there. Yeah.
Stop the camera real quick.
Yeah. So you know somebody in the comment section, they must stop text my phone right now because I'm at my personal link. And they keep on asking, please ask Bungie this question. Do you feel like you are the originator of dancehall in a Trinidad dancehall? Like
No. There had many people before me. Way before. Like way before. In fact, anyone, of course, a lot of people who probably looking on right now knows a lot of soca artists. And if I call this name, they'll know for sure, which is Iowa George, right?
Oh, yes. Right.
Iowa George was actually one of Trinidad early dancehall men and before going into raga soca and into soca.
Okay.
Right? And there are a lot of people who prominent, well then and now too, you know, started into that. So I wouldn't say that I am the you know, like that sound. What I became though, when I came on the scene in 99, and this is a funny thing how if you appear in the right place at the right or wrong time, things can go in your favor or against you. When I came on the scene in 99, and you know, I was like the youngest person at the time on the scene. I didn't have the last young person to enter the arena like that, right? Would have been like after Marshall would have been like Cohen Dubois and them, right? And then I came on this. When I came into the soca arena, I came in at about like 21 or something like that, 19 or 20 or 21 or something like that, right? So when I came in and it was like this whole new, all the youths, everybody, and my hair was fluorescent green and my shoes was fluorescent green. So I had a whole team, a whole color team and everything, and everywhere across the island, everyone was fluorescent green and things like that. That was 99. 2000 was the year of the millennium, right? So in 99, everything started changing. The way music was done started to change. The sounds, the instruments, the approach. And I somehow managed to be the person to be the beacon of all that change. So it wasn't all good because I get blamed for everything that people thought was going wrong. Right? So as much as when I came, a whole new youth movement came. And just before me too, the year before, you had like Three Sons and Maximus Dan and JD and all these people in them. So when I came in on the scene, I was like the reinforcement of a new generation is here. Mm-hmm. It was problems because like what everybody was doing, kind of like what I was doing, but somehow I was the only person being blamed for it. Why he have to bring this song and why he have to song like this and why he have to approach it like this? And I was like, yo, but I just do what everybody else doing, yo, what is this? And I was getting all the blame. And the next thing I knew, it was me versus the elder fraternity. And it was like, you know, like the whole elder fraternity versus me.
Wow.
Right? And I was like, but I was not.
The next day.
Yeah, pleasant good morning. Well, if you look at the time now in the morning, but me there cook some food because me nah got nobody restaurant. So me a cook for the whole day. And me a cook 3 food that me like. Ackee and saltfish, some salt mackerel. Should I did make some rundown, but me not able. And boy, some dumpling and banana and stretch like rice, like a plant. You know the vibe. Yeah, so me a season up the chicken right now. Yes, see it? Yeah, man. And me a chat to one little mad man over there, so. But you don't know? Yeah. What's she there? She there one part. Anyways, I feel like showing you the whole process of this, because I know I can cook already, so.
Few moments later.
Then greedy woman here cuss a man and ask when him a come cook, so. Them done with the Jamaican chef, and I try to get on Trinidadian chef. Me tell you, so them girl love them belly. Them girl love them belly, man. Jesus Christ. Anyways, the food soon done. Brown stew there. They don't know. Dumpling there. See some more food there. Maybe go fry this, and cook up this. The short on especially watch her sit down and count the food. She accounting like she said, alright, 5 more minutes.
That was 6 minutes.
Listen, I'm trying to save my mimosa and everything.
Drink up. Yeah, I'm there. I chat to my good friend Quintet. Quintet, watch out. Quintet!
Yo, get that out of my face.
Yo, I said to the woman them craving them can't wait for the food for done. Could they? Jesus Christ, could they? Then just murder the food, sir. See there? Food and mimosa. I don't want to tell you, you know, because I don't want to no man have problem like more in a life, you know. Yeah? Hey! I the vibe. Well, I might plate of food is I'm careless.
Huh?
Sherry, you want some?
No, you got that.
So what you say now? What you say about the food now?
It was amazing.
Alright.
It was amazing. Thank you for the blessed plate.
Alright. See? I can't cook, yeah? I'm gonna leave me alone now. What a day? I sleep out the day. After the big cooking there, but I'm gonna shoot some machine now. Jesus Christ. I'm violent St. Choose today. Yeah, me and my bro are going there. Alright, don't go and stay tuned. So I get my ear business, yeah? Them saying, you know, I have them ears I got bust out. You know what? So, collect a target, you know? Okay, collect a target, you know? Feel like go with one of them, you know? Yeah, boy. You hear that? Okay, boss, set up here, man. Hey, I'm gonna take off the attack. Take off the attack. Woo! Yo, the man a line up in fleet. One whole fleet a gun, you know. Yeah. Ties them out today. Ties are us. So you say any one of them, you know. I don't know if it's true. Right now I'm confused. I can't even hear myself. I don't know if it's true. Alright, let's see what I go on.
Alright, so charge your weapon now.
Watch how me I'm going so far. First time in the range. I get a grip right.
Watch your finger.
Yo, watch it, man.
Relax. Deep breath. Hold your breath. Fire. Fire. Relax. So I'm gonna pull the target closer to you now.
Yes. Head.
So all 4 rounds pretty much.
Hit dead.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, go ahead.
Where say a while ago about that gun that we just bust?
Yeah man, you were the first man fire a gun there, man. We never fired a gun there yet. Man fire.
And out of all of them, my best gun be sure. Alright. We don't look for the target. Either the triangle and a gun there. Either the triangle and a gun there.
Yeah man, that's a real gun.
Straight iron, no plastic.
Yeah man, no plastic, no polymer, nothing. Straight.
Woo.
A gun with real weight and everything.
John was that? Yo, this is fun. This is like a de-stress. Yeah. I feel like when I invest. Yeah, it can get serious now. Oh boy. Serious business.
Alright, One long crime, one long crime. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're good to go. All right.
Yeah, they come like one place me a fire.
Turn it down here. Watch me before you even fire. This you have to pull back for charge it. So you have to pull this thing up. Ah, so one gone in now. Alright, you ready? Are you with that? Yeah man, you're out.
All that way we say it and go there go.
So you realize how close the groupings are?
Yeah.
It's even more tighter than the handgun.
Jesus. Come like if you done vlog today. Here we go. This is it for the gun range. I'm gonna just have some fun, you know. Sooner or later. Pleasant. Good morning. Out and stunting right now. Florida, it was real. Trabass and the whole crew, big up on yourself. But I gotta catch a flight. Island Fridays, every Friday. Do the right thing, man. Life a DJ Blazer.